Good morning, buddy. You're so pretty in the morning light. You like hanging out there? Is that your little cave?
Good morning. Today I decided to do a day in the life of a small business owner video. So I'm just going to show you what I typically do in a day. Every morning, Nick and I either go rock climbing or on a walk, but this morning he slept in, so all we had time for was just me making my coffee and sitting on the couch enjoying my coffee like I typically do. I got ready. Usually I don't look this nice while I'm working. Just got a little dressed up and did my makeup so that you don't have to look at me looking like a potato all day. But yeah, the first thing I do once I get into the office is make myself a little to-do list of what I need to get done that day, because otherwise my mind will be all over the place and I can't focus on what I need to do. So I'm gonna do that first. So this is everything that I need to do today for tomorrow's orders. I just have a couple custom ornaments to make files for so that I can engrave, a few things to stamp, and some wooden studs and a wooden key tag. And all of these are orders from my Etsy, which are made to order, so I will have to make all of these today. But first I just need to package the orders that need to go out today that I made yesterday, so I'm gonna go do those first. So I have a few of the orders that I made chilling in here. This is just sanitizer from Trader Joe's. I get the lavender kind. I think that's all they have now. And then this one is just full of water for water activated tape. So they're not both sanitizers. People always ask what I'm spraying on the water activated tape, and it's just water. So I made these little engagement ornaments. Someone ordered two of the same, so maybe it's for a couple that are engaged and they don't live together yet, so for both of their trees. And then a couple of stamped bracelets and a stamped necklace. So I'm just gonna clean this first and add the little ribbons to the ornaments and just package everything. I usually pack my ornaments with tissue paper, and I realized there's only one left, so let me just cut a bunch now. This is just recycled tissue paper from Eco Enclosed, and I just fold it into 6 and cut 6 pieces of tissue per tissue sheet. And it lasts forever. I'm pretty sure I've had the same batch of tissue paper for like a year and a half. Because I'm pretty sure it comes in like a sheet of 1,000. So if you fold it into 6, then that's 6,000 little squares of tissue paper, and I'm definitely not selling 6,000 items a year. So just crease it like that, and then cut along the creases. And there we go. I just cut 6 sheets at the same time, so I have 36 little pieces of tissue paper. So that should last me for a little bit. When it's like really ornament season, like November, December, I would probably have to cut hundreds. I'm just gonna prep the packaging for these. Okay, those are all cut now. Just gotta pack them in their envelopes. Sometimes when I have a lot of orders, I'll pre-write on the envelope who it's for and what goes inside of it, just to help streamline everything. But since it's just a few, I can just look on here and pack it as I go. Oh no, I'm out of business cards. Okay, here's more business cards. So that was all that was due today. Sometimes I try to get ahead of orders, so I have a little bit of orders, or some days are just slower than others because I'm processing orders every single day of the week. I don't just do like one day ship everything that I sold in a week. So I finished the ornaments and I need to do the key tag and the studs next so then I can be done with the laser machine for the day. And then I have to stamp the rest of the orders. I finished my orders, but I got a migraine, so I'm in bed.
Hello. Hello, sir. Oh, thank you. Thanks.